How to fix apps not opening on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your apps launching properly again in just a few steps. First, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. After that, once your device is back on, try opening the app again to see if it launches properly again. From here, if the app is still not opening, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for the app that isn't opening and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, try opening the app again and check if it launches properly. From here, if it's still not opening, tap on Storage again. This time, tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then try opening the app again. Let me show you what to do if it's still not working. At this stage, open the Play Store and search for the app. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, try opening the app again and check if it's launching properly. Following this, open the Play Store, search for the app, and reinstall it fresh. Here's an important note. If multiple apps are not opening at the same time, it could be a system issue. Make sure your Android software is up to date by going to Settings, tapping on Software Update, and installing any available updates. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix apps not opening on Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates.